In this segment of this video, we are going to discuss how you can hide menu options in SharePoint site. For example, whenever you are creating an intranet, you will have multiple menu options, but all those are not relevant to a particular role. For example, let me share my screen, and here you can see we have our STW365 intranet. And in that, we have menu for marketing, we have menu options for sales, we have menu options for trading, we have menu options for manufacturing, we have menu options for productivity, business analysis, HR admin, masters, and setting. But all these are not relevant to every role. For example, if as admin you will log in, you can see all these roles. But as a marketing person, they can see marketing and sales. As a employee, they can see productivity, but they can't see business analysis. As a HR admin, you can see HR admin menu options, but as an employee, you can't see admin like expense tracker and employee of the month, those kind of settings. So you want to hide menu options based on the user roles. So as I told before, that you need to create user and groups. In user and groups, for example, I already logged in Microsoft 365 Admin Central, and there you can see we have teams and group, and there we have active teams and group. So here you need to create a particular group for marketing, for sales, for accounting, whatever grouping you want to create in your organization, you will create a group and add all those members in that particular group. For example, we created STWHR, and in membership, we added these many people over there. So that is what you will do. You will create a group and add all those members in that particular group, and then you will go on your website, and there you will click on edit and select a particular menu options. For example, we already selected this. You can click on edit, and there you can see the groups we assigned for this particular menu option. So only members from STW365 HR members and STW365 admin members can see this particular menu option. Apart from that, anybody who has different kind of role, different kind of group can't see this menu. And this is how you can hide and show menu options in SharePoint site.